Here is how to fix the cannot unzip or corrupted issue for your PSP games. 1. Check the file extension. PSP emulators like the PPSSPP standalone on ArkOS generally cannot play games while they are inside a .zip or .rar file. You must extract them first. Correct formats. Once unzipped, you should see a file ending in .iso, .cso, or .chd. The zip and zip trap. Sometimes when you download a game, it is a .zip file that contains another .zip or multiple .r00, .r01 files. You need to extract the very first one to get the single .iso file. 2. Use the right unzipper. If the built-in file manager on your device is failing to unzip, the compression might be too heavy for the handheld's processor to handle. On PC, use 7-zip or WinRAR. These are more reliable for large PSP files, which can be 1 gig plus. On mobile, if you're using your phone, use ZArchiver. It handles multi-part .rar files much better than the default Android iOS file manager. 3. Is the SD card corrupted? Since you recently got a Samsung Evo Plus, great choice. Make sure you aren't still using the stock SD card that came with the R36S for your ROMs. The cheap black SD cards that come with these handhelds often fake their capacity. They might look like they have 64 gigabytes, but as soon as you try to unzip a large 1.2 gigabyte PSP game, the file breaks because there isn't actually enough physical space. Solution: move your unzip.iso files to your new Samsung card into the ROM's PSP folder. 4. Special case: corrupted data icon. If you see the game on your R36S menu, but it says corrupted data or won't start, make sure you didn't accidentally put the .zip file and the .iso file in the same folder. The emulator might be trying to read the .zip first. Delete the .zip once you have successfully extracted the .iso to save space. Summary checklist for your video. If you're making a video for the Daily V about this, here's a quick script outline you can use for the AI voiceover. Intro. Is your PSP game showing corrupted or won't unzip on your R36S? The fix. First, check the extension. PSP games need to be .iso or .cso. If it's a .zip, extract it on your PC using 7-zip. The pro tip: don't unzip inside the handheld. It's too slow. Do it on your computer and move the .iso to your ROM's PSP folder on a quality SD card like a Samsung Evo. Outro. Follow for more retro gaming tips. Are you getting a specific error message like archive corrupted, or does it just stay stuck at 0%? Instead, I use ZArchiver. Hard click, then view the copy, and make a folder of the name of the game.
Next, use the installed namdhc, double-click, then add a folder, go to download, and go to your game folder to copy-paste your PSP game that you downloaded to your phone. You can only put one at a time, a game in namdhc, then wait a while. After alarm tone, you will get a message if you want to get the repo. After that, get your TF2 game of your R36S, then copy-paste it in your PSP folder. The game/it will have no folder after it's compressed by namdhc. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified with my new videos about tutorial, vlog, and unboxing. That sounds like extra ideas to add to your video. The before and after comparison. Show a quick clip of how much space the game took before, e.g. 1.2 GB, versus after compression, e.g. 600 MB. This proves to your viewers that your method actually works. Performance note. Mention that these compressed formats, CSO, CHD, run perfectly on the R36S without making the game lag. The safe eject reminder. Always remind your subscribers to safely remove hardware on Windows before pulling out the TF2 card to avoid losing their save files. If this tutorial helped you save space on your R36S, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more unboxings, technical tutorials, and daily vlogs. See you in the next video.